Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture for February 15th of 2025 is titled Parhelia at Abisko. So what do we see here? Well, here we see the scene from northern Sweden at Abisko National Park, and we see the sun out there in the sky. And it may look like there are three suns there, as you can see one to the center and then two off to either side. Now, in reality, of course, our solar system has only one sun, and that is the object at the center here. So why do we see two other objects there that look like other suns? Well, those are what are called parhelia, or sundogs, and they are caused by ice crystals in Earth's atmosphere. So they have nothing to do with the sun. They actually have everything to do with our own Earth. And what happens is that the ice crystals in Earth's atmosphere, and specifically those that are hexagonally shaped, can bend and reflect the light and give us the appearance of a halo around the sun. And at opposite sides of that halo, we can see the two sundogs there. And that is caused by those ice crystals in Earth's atmosphere. Now we also notice the halo around the sun, and that is that kind of circular pattern. And much of it is very faint and hard to see, except for the regions around the sundogs. But it is a complete circular 22-degree halo around the sun caused by those ice crystals. Now this occurs quite often in the high latitude. So we see it at winter when the sun is very low in the sky, and the positioning of the ice crystals is correct to give us this specific phenomena. Now, as I said, this is caused by Earth's atmosphere. If the Earth had no atmosphere, we would not see effects like this, and we would just see the single sun sitting there up over the horizon. It is because of the way the atmosphere works and having those ice crystals in Earth's atmosphere that we can get effects like this. So if you were looking at the sun from our moon, which has no atmosphere, you would never be able to see anything like this. You would not get this pattern because it takes an atmosphere, and it takes ice crystals in that atmosphere to give us the view that we see here. So other planets with atmospheres and that could have ice crystals in them could get some kind of similar phenomena to this, and could give us the view that to now we only see here on Earth. However, it does take that atmosphere and the ice crystals positioned correctly in order to see this. So you can't just go out any morning and expect to see the sun and two of the sundogs, one on either side. You have to have all the conditions correct for this type of thing to be able to occur. So that was our picture of the day for February 15th of 2025. It was titled Parhelia at Abisko. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture. So until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.